Hey guys, in the previous video we shared with you the code which you can use to change your Airtel money pin. If you did not watch that video, there is a link down in the description. You can click on it such that you can be able to know the code which you can use to change your Airtel money pin. But with the continuous changing of your Airtel money pin, you may reach a time and then you forget the pin which you might have changed. So when you go on your Airtel money account and you try to put in that pin, and then when you put in a wrong pin, you're going to receive a message like this, meaning that if you continue for 3 more other times, your Airtel money account is going to be blocked. So you want to be able to access your Airtel money account again. So when your Airtel money account is blocked, you don't need to panic. So here is what you're going to do. So if your Airtel money account is blocked, what you're going to do, you're going to visit any service center of Airtel which is near you. We have very many service centers across the country, so you're going to visit any service center which is near you. So but before going there, what are you going to go along with? So you're going to go with your own original national ID. So if you don't have it, make sure you first get it. So when you reach there, what are you going to find there? So when you reach there, this is what you're going to find. Let me first show you here. So when you reach there, you're going to find there this form here. Let me first zoom it. You're going to find and you're going to fill this form, Airtel money pin reset verification. So this is the form which you're going to first fill. So let me show it to here. Here you're going to put in your name, and here the number which was affected. Then you're going to put in Airtel money balance, what is the money that is on your account. Then last Airtel money transaction, the amount. You're going to, if it was 50,000, you put in 50,000. Then the date of last Airtel money transaction, you put in the date. Then number 4 is which number did you last send or receive. You put in the number there. Then you put in your date of birth. Then here you're going to put in your national ID. Then number 7, you're going to put in the next of kin and contact. Number 4, you're going to put in there 4 commonly dialed numbers, only 4 numbers, those ones that you dialed on. Then here you're going to put your last airtime recharge. Last airtime recharge, they don't mean the amount of airtime which is on your account. You put in the amount of airtime which you last put on. If it was 500, you put in 500. If it was 1000, you put in 1000. Then commonly received number, you also put in here. Then you sign and you put in the date. Now I'm going to show you a form which we have finished filling. So let me show you to here. So this is the form. So now it reaches a time that your mobile money account has been blocked in this month, and you try so hard to find the Airtel branch which is near you. So if you have tried so much and the months have passed, and of course you may forget these things up here, this one here, you may forget them. So if you have forgotten them, you can leave them out, and then you start with these things down here. Let me show you here. You're going to start from here, the date of birth. So I'm going to show you here how we filled this form. Here the name, I think you can see our name, Smart Solutions. Then we put in here our phone number is there. Then afterwards you come on the date of birth. So if you're sure this is the date when you are born, you put in that date. Then here you put in your NI number. That's why I told you come along with your own original national ID. Then here you put in the next of kin contact and then the 4 commonly dialed numbers. And then what I told you here is the last airtime recharge. Now this airtime recharge, some people may confuse it. So if you don't know the last airtime recharge, this is what we do in most cases. You're going to go on any shop which is near you, you put in airtime. So if you can go there and you put in 2000, then you come here and write I'll put on 2000. Then here you come on commonly received number, you write it there, and then you sign. Afterwards you write in the date. So after that you're going to hand in this form. So it's not going to take a lot of minutes. Then you wait, then your pin, you wait like for 24 hours, your pin will be reset, and then afterwards you can start accessing your Airtel Money account again.